channel. So today we will be completing our fourth challenge. So in this we need to create one flow. So you just need to go to flows and click on new flow. So now we need to select template. So you need to enter template. It's template triggered prompt flow. Click on automatic inputs and we need to select one template type, record summary template capability. So it is written here, we need to choose this, and for the object type you can select messaging session. So this is our template triggered prompt flow. Now if you want to go and we need to add this get conversation transcript for record action. Just a minute. So action should be get, if I type get conversation, this, just select this and just copy the label. API name should be this. Make sure you will paste the exact description. For record ID we need to use messaging session ID from the prompt template input. So let's search for prompt template input, messaging session. So we need messaging session ID here. So just search for it, this messaging session ID. This is it, and you can also save the flow. So just make sure the label should be this, send SO messaging session transcript. Click on save, choose the label and the description, save. Now next we need to add prompt instructions element from this. So just click on this, add prompt instructions, copy the label, and description, and about prompt instructions, from the previous action retrieved the conversation transcript. So you can select this here. Now we need to create a prompt template that summarizes a messaging session. So for now just save this flow. So after saving this flow, let's go to the super batch. Now we need to create a prompt template. Just copy the label and just search for the prompt template. Let's go to setup and search for prompt. Click on new prompt template, then click on record summary, then just copy the description. Just a minute. So description object should be messaging session. Click on next. Now copy this script and just paste it here. Click this, the messaging session record snapshot, and we need to click on insert resource, this, and this with the flow which we have built. So just click on insert resource flows and you can search. Make sure your flow should be active. So this we are done. Click on save. Need to create a new flow. So just go to your flow and click on new flow. Just a minute. Click on new flow. This time we need to select auto launch flow no trigger, and here it is written we need to have a get records element, get messaging session. So click on and search for get records. Label should be get messaging session. Description should be this. Make sure you copy the correct description. This element should get the messaging session record with the condition that a messaging session ID is equal to new variable. Okay, so let me search messaging session and messaging session ID. Messaging user ID, messaging session ID should be equal to, you need to create new variable. API name should be this. Put the description as this variable stores the messaging session ID. Data type should be text, available for input. Click on done. So this, we are done with this. Now also save the flow also with this name. And the description. Make sure you copy all the descriptions correctly. Now we need to add an action that calls the prompt template. So the prompt template which we have created, cross this, click on plus icon, choose action, summarize messaging session. Okay, summarize SO messaging session should be there. Make sure your prompt template should be active. So let me check. Yeah, make sure you need to activate this. Now just click on, I'll just refresh the page to get it. Action, this. So just copy the label, summarize conversation, description, object to summarize. This action should summarize the entire messaging session from the prior element. So this is the prior element and we need to summarize the messaging. This action should summarize the entire messaging session. So yeah, so we should have the entire messaging session, entire resource. So we need to store output values in a new output variable here. Just a minute. Customer sentiment. So here click on new resource variable, copy the API name is customer sentiment, and now data type should be text and available for output, and click on done. So we are done with this. Click on save and activate your flow. So now we need to create one topic for our SO agent. So just we will open our agent here. Let me go back and click on Agentforce agents. So this is our agent. Click on open in builder. Here you need to deactivate this agent in order to click and create new topic. Click on new topic. Now click on next and copy exactly these labels. Name should be this. Description should be this. We need to enter everything as it is. Scope, instruction. So we have two instructions. Just click on plus and add instruction. Click on next. So here we are done with this for now because we need to create one more action. So just click on finish. So you have here your new topic. Now click on this and create new action. So action should be this. So we need to use this flow and this label here. Click on this flow, select this flow, check your label should match this, click on next. Loading text, you can give anything. Now they are saying you can use the input and output configuration present in this, so we will open this so that we can check this. So let's check what we need to configure in challenge 4. Okay, so in challenge 4, messaging session ID require input should be true. Okay, require input should be true. Messaging for messaging session ID, collect from data from user should be false. Okay, I think show in conversation should be true. So we are done with this. Okay, white customer sentiment. Let's click on finish, click on activate. We have created everything. So now we can check our last. Make sure all the descriptions and everything is correct. In your output element and input element which you have created, the variable, the label and description should be correct. So here we have completed our last challenge. So please subscribe my video for more content. Thank you guys for watching. And also just to recap, in the flow here, if I am having these variables, so make sure you have the correct label, description and available for output should be checked. For messaging session ID also it should look like this. Let me know if you face any issues in the comment section. Thank you.